Hello angels and welcome back to my channel. It's haydennrachel and I'm back with another video to help you live your blessed life in the most frugal way possible. The much anticipated wig giveaway is going down today, so keep on watching for those 3 giveaway winners. I'm going to slap this wig on my head for you all, as well as give you a mini review with the giveaway. So let's go ahead and get into this content. Yep, I do DIY, natural hair, mommy and me, lifestyle content. I do it all. Hello angels, welcome back. Welcome if it's your first time here. We're going to get straight into this content. I don't want this video to be super long because I know you all want to get to those giveaway winners. So this unit that I'm going to be reviewing is from a vendor on Amazon called SILYFEEL. I previously did another unit by them you can check out. So here's a picture of it on Amazon. I don't know how clear that's going to come up on my camera. Advertised as Ombre highlight body wave lace front unit in the colors 4 and 27. Transparent lace, 13 by 4 by 1. It is a T part and it is a middle T part. Yeah, so it doesn't really look like the pictures at all. The pictures have like thicker highlights, and as you can see, this is like highlights throughout. I took the luxury of like throwing in some wand curls off camera because I don't want to spend too much time on things that you probably already know how to do. So I'm just going to install this for you all and give some more details on this wig. Okay angels, this wig is pretty standard to all the wigs I've been pretty much getting off of Amazon. You have your 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, a little piece of lace in the back. I guess that's if you ever want to glue it down in the back. I have no desire to do that at all. And your adjustable straps. No extra elastic. Sometimes they send them, sometimes they don't, you know, whatever. And yeah, it's pretty standard. This is a T-part wig. I've been liking these T-part wigs because honestly it's less maintenance I have to do on these wigs. So normally if I get like a 4x4, whatever I get, I'll have to like go through and make sure I am laying, you know, the hair down to my scalp so it comes off as natural as possible. With the T-part, you pretty much don't have to do that because the way they laid the tracks and the way that the lace is, you don't have much to maintain. I will say about this wig though, because it is blonde and I'm brown and kind of close to my skin color, I do have to go in and pluck. It did not come pre-plucked or with baby hairs, and I don't do this in this video, but there's definitely a step that I have to take due to the color. If this was black, I probably could get away with it, but she gonna need some TLC that y'all will not see on this video. But follow me on Instagram to see how that turns out, because I'll be posting pictures of her. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the first place winner for this giveaway. Drum roll please. It may look like a lot of people in here, but some people really went hard in the comments and put in multiple submissions, because I was counting every time you commented or hashtag giveaway. So best of luck to you, and the winner is Yvette. I believe that's how you pronounce your name. At Yvette M. So Yvette, go ahead and leave a comment with your email address in the comments below, or you can add me on Instagram and we can DM that way. It might be a little quicker. I don't know if you use Instagram. This is the same for the next 2 winners as well. Just go ahead and DM me, get in touch with me some way, somehow, and I'll reach back out to you and we will work out the details, get your shipping information, and get you a wig. Okay? So Yvette, congratulations. Thank you so much for your participation. Everybody else who participated and want to win that wig, wanted to win a new wig, I'm sorry that you didn't win, but maybe next time. Okay, angels, so back to this wig for a quick little second because I want to get this review over and done. I like this wig. I like the hair on this wig. I like the highlights, even though they're not those trendy thicker highlights. It is pretty cute, especially when curled. I'm excited to straighten it to see how it turns out. Yeah, she's just, yeah, I'm not afraid of color. I just was a little nervous because of 27 in this wig, but you know, I think it's really cute, and I think it's a very viable option when you're looking for a pre-colored unit off of Amazon. Definitely check her out. The vendor, I've worked with them several times, very trustworthy, always sending quality. This is definitely highly recommended, and obviously it made it to the list, so bam. Let's pull another name. This is going to be for the deep wave unit I did 2 weeks ago. Let me see. Let me make sure. Let me make sure I at least give y'all the name. I said I was going to show the wig on camera, but I didn't get a chance to wash them yet. So you can go look at the video of this wig if you're not sure which wig I'm talking about. This is the 13x4 glueless loose deep wave. Okay, I had to go through some of the titles and make a correction on some of them, not to get too wordy, but my favorite wig was actually a body wave unit, and I put it in as a deep wave unit. That's the wig I'm actually wearing in the giveaway announcement video. So yeah, it's actually a body wave unit, and I liked it. I think more so because of the length that I was offered, and it just was giving real like sexy, like you can throw it on for a day, curl it up real nice. It was really cute. I mean, I don't have straight hair, so we all kind of want what we don't have, so that was my favorite, I'll tell y'all that. And it was just a very good quality wig. But for this drawing, this is going to be for the loose deep wave that I did 3 weeks ago. Okay, so best of luck to you. The winner of this unit is going to be Shaltay. I think that's how Shaltay's. Yeah, I don't really know how to pronounce that. Shaltay's. I'm sorry that I butchered your ad. But go ahead and get in contact with me by leaving your email in the comments or DMing me on Instagram, and we will get you that unit mailed out. I did order some wig caps for you all to put in the little package. I'm so excited about this. So congratulations, Shaltay. Okay, so I will say one more thing about this unit. When I washed it initially, it was like so bright, so bright. I guess I gotta wait for this to heat up. When I washed it, it was so bright, but then when I started to add the curls and like some of the products like the heat protectant and the hairspray, it definitely like started to bring out more of that 4 color. Yeah, 27 I would never like wear alone in my hair, and I thought the 4 was gonna be a little too bright as well, but I like it. Let's do the last drawing. So the last winner, excuse me, of this bob unit I did, let me see how many weeks ago that was. 4 weeks ago. This is the $50 Alley Glossy Glueless T-part virgin hair wig. Some really nice hair on this wig, okay? I mean, I didn't really say that about the last one. All these wigs are really nice quality, especially for the affordability. If you don't know, I am the frugal queen, and that's what I'm about. Saving your coins, getting to those goals in life that we had, and not giving into consumerism, okay? Not fully giving into consumerism. So the winner of this $50 wig is going to be, let's see, my girl Melinda Hall. Okay, Melinda Hall, I will be sending you that unit. Go ahead and leave a comment with your email or get in touch with me on Instagram. I love Instagram, y'all, so y'all should follow me on Instagram at They Hayden. That is my social media name on all platforms that I use. They Hayden. Follow me on Instagram and get in touch with me through DMs, or just follow me on Instagram even if you didn't win, because I'm going to be doing more giveaways to come. So I really hope you all enjoyed this install. To those winners, congratulations. Thanks for participating, to all of you all. And as always, I pray you all continue to walk in and live your blessed lives. Be blessed.